The boat launch is within walking distance from the Nehalem Bay State Park campsite. Now it's low tide, but within 4 hours, this whole area will be filled with water, and I will be catching crabs a few hundred feet away from the boat launch. It was a beautiful day, and the wind gusted between 15 to 20 miles an hour. I did some more modification to my boat. I add a bracket at the back where I can place a new seat. I use a toolbox as a seat, and I believe I can fit about 6 crabs inside this box with a lock and prevent the crabs from climbing out. I created a roller here to help me to pull the crab pot up, and it is retractable too, so I can pull it all the way back if I have to paddle the boat. I used a bungee ball to secure the front part of the paddle, and at the back I use a plastic bracket to keep the paddle in place. The Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife has a map showing where you can find the crabs. I noticed there are people laying their crab pots around here, which is only within 1,000 feet away from the boat launch. Therefore, I want to try my luck here and see if I can catch anything. But my friend who has been catching crabs here for many years prefer to go from here all the way to this part of the bay where the water is deeper, and it's about 1.5 miles away. With the addition of the accessories such as the paddle, the crab ring, and the new seat, the weight of the boat is around 36 pounds. It was good that I have a helper to move the boat. The air temperature is around 62 degrees Fahrenheit, but the wind gusts to around 20 miles per hour, and I will have to dress up. I wear 5 layers of clothing, including the life jacket, and I put a sweatshirt and then a windbreaker, and finally I put a winter vest on top, in addition to the life jacket. The seawater temperature is around 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I have a pair of gloves on so I don't feel cold at all. I gave my 2 crab pots to my friend and I took his crab ring. I was only a few hundred feet away from the shore where I dropped the crab ring. There are rental crabbing boats dropping their pots nearby also. Compared to other kayaks I built, the seat on this boat is higher, and it is pretty easy to pull the crab ring from the water. With 1 crab ring, I caught 2 crabs within 30 minutes. I did catch a few large female crabs, which I have to return them to the sea. I will get another crab ring so that I'll be more productive the next time I come out here again. I have more fun with the crab rings because I will retrieve them every 10 minutes. But with crab pot, I just leave it there for 30 minutes or an hour. I extended the platform and create 2 dagger boards on both sides of the pontoon, which provide a surface area 4 inches by 4 feet. And also with the low profile of the boat, this helped me to paddle the boat in this windy condition. It also lifted the pontoons 4 inches above the floor and protected the bottom of the pontoons. The boat is so stable and I feel very comfortable to use it in this kind of sea condition. We caught a total of 19 crabs in 2 hours. We have a very nice dinner that night. In a few weeks I will head out to Tillamook Bay, and if you find this interesting, appreciate you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye.